Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix too many attempts error on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, understand the error. This happens when Tinder detects too many failed login attempts or password tries it temporarily, so don't panic. Next, wait for a few hours. Usually the blocks last a few hours, after which you can try logging in again. Trying repeatedly during the block can make it last longer. Then check your login details. Make sure you are using the correct email, phone number or Facebook Apple ID link to your Tinder account. Entering wrong info repeatedly trigger the error. Another step is to restart your phone and the Tinder app. Close the app completely, restart your phone and try logging in again. This refreshes the app and clears temporary issue. Finally, contact Tinder support if the problem continues. Go to the Safari, search for Tinder Help Center, select login issues and explain that you are seeing that too many attempts error. Support can help unlock your account, and that's it. Wait a few hours, double check your login info, restart the app and contact support if needed. Following these steps will fix the too many attempts error on Tinder on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.